Welcome to Power BI demo channel. Today I'll show you how you can be able to download the Power BI desktop. So I'll share the link with you. As you can see here, actually, this is also a good thing for you just to see. Only pay when you are ready to share and scale up. So you can download the Power BI for free. You only pay when you are ready to share and scale up. So we go to the Power BI website, which I'm going to share with you there. So we go to the download section. You can either go to the advanced download option just to make sure your system meets the requirements. So that's the instruction, how to download it. System specification, and that's the version you're downloading it. So for us, we're going to hit download, and that download is going to bring us to the app section. So that's apps, and it's already downloaded. So I'm not going to launch it because I already have it. So I'm going to show you what I have already. This is exactly what you're going to get. So you're going to get like that, Power BI, and then this is visualization, table, relationship. But I'll do a very quick demo to continue with the other video which I have done. You can also go and watch it. So now we're going to go ahead and upload an Excel file so that we can start working on it. So I already have one. So it's called demo YouTube video, and it's on my desktop. So you can save your file wherever you want, but you just come here and then you're going to be able to check them out where they are. So load it. So those are the tabs in my Excel table or Excel book. So I'll load it there. So you have a preview. You can transform the data. For this particular instance, we're not going to transform the data. We're just going to load it. But I'm going to talk more about this in other videos. So we just load it. And that is our Power BI desktop there. And we have uploaded our Excel. So what we can also do, just for the demo purposes, we can make this bigger. So we can do values, and you want to change the size. Let's say make it 35. Let's make it bigger. So that's for 35 there. Again, we can do the same thing with the header. So it's quite easy to work with the Power BI, and it's very, very interesting because you can do a lot of things with your data. So again, we do 35. That's our header. We have made it 35. Let's make the style a little bit interesting. So we make it alternating rows. You can see that. And there we go. That is how to download Power BI desktop and then upload Excel. I'll also go ahead and put a slicer for you just to see how interesting it is here. So we can slice the data the way you want it. So we're gonna add, that's a slicer basically from the visualization, and now we want to slice the data by the product. Yeah, so we just use the product there, and then we can slice the data so you can see how much product costs, chips, that kind of stuff. You can even go ahead and even able to filter two products on the same time. So I'll show that on the other videos to come through. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.